Today we are going to show you how to change cell formatting using keyboard shortcuts. First shortcut that we are going to show you is how to change cells into time. Select the cells that you need to change, then press the keyboard shortcut Ctrl Shift at. Now the cells will change into time. Second shortcut that we are going to show you is how to change cells into numbers. Select the cells, press Ctrl Shift exclamation mark. The next one we are going to show you how to change cells into percentage. Select the cells, Ctrl Shift percentage mark. The next one, how to change cells into currency. Select the cells, press Ctrl Shift and dollar mark. Change cells into scientific. Select the cells, press Ctrl Shift and caret mark. To change the cells into date format, select the cells, press Ctrl Shift and hash. Okay. So if you need to revert back the cells into the original general format, select the cells that you need to revert. Press Ctrl Shift tilde. It's a very simple shortcut, but you can do many things and you can save a lot of time with these shortcuts. Thanks for watching.